If you're looking for ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. In this video, you'll discover the top 7 ways anybody can generate income online. One of the great things about the internet is that you can go into business for yourself from the comfort of your home. All you need is an internet connection, and you can make money online. Diving into the online world will free you from the daily 9-to-5 grind of a desk job and afford you more time to travel, indulge in hobbies, and spend time with the family. 1. Affiliate marketing. You may already know that affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online moneymakers out there. Here's how it works. As an internet entrepreneur, you'll need your own web presence, website, blog, social media platforms, landing pages, sales pages, banner ads, or e-commerce site. But instead of selling your own products, you sell the products of other companies. You can use several of these combinations, if you like, as long as you get your marketing message to the public. Then, pick a hot affiliate niche market, one with many potential customers. Look at social media to ID trends and see what's hot on sites like Amazon and CJ Affiliate, for example. Provide important content and marketing messages aimed at your prospects. When customers on your digital platform click on a link to make a purchase, they are taken to your affiliate partner's site to complete the transaction, and you get a commission for every completed sale. The best part is you don't have to deal with shipping or customer service. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start an online business because all you have to do is promote the products. You don't have to worry about creating products, setting up payment and delivery systems, or handle customer support. You just simply drive the traffic and get them to click over to the companies you are promoting as an affiliate, and if a sales is made, you get a commission for referring that sale. 2. Selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist. One of the quickest ways to get started selling online is to leverage the power of third-party sites. E-commerce giants like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist are powerful sales and marketing platforms with a built-in prospect base. Millions of people regularly shop on these sites, and the numbers keep growing. These mega sites make it easy to set up shop so customers can browse your products, and there's no need to build your own website. Also, you'll find a built-in search feature so that interested buyers can easily find your online storefront. Plus, you get to use the site's shopping cart. In short, you avoid a lot of the expense and hassle of setting up an independent e-commerce website. Amazon. With Amazon, you can even have them fulfill your orders. The digital retailer also says there are more than 2 million sellers on their website, representing 40% of all sales. Another benefit of using Amazon, as well as these other third-party sites, is that people already trust them and are more likely to buy off of them than from your own independent website if you had one. eBay. With eBay, the procedure is very similar. You simply start by becoming an eBay seller and stay in good standing by making sure your PayPal account is verified, and then you can sign up for your store. These 3 steps allow you to piggyback on eBay's reputation, reach, and sales and marketing infrastructure in order to sell your own products. Though you can list a single price on eBay, the big benefit of their platform is the auction system, which lets your prospective buyers get into bidding wars, driving up the price you can sell it with the items you are listing. Etsy. If you're crafty, Etsy is where you should set up shop. The web portal is focused on handcrafted and unique one-of-a-kind items and has 1.5 million sellers around the world. And, like Amazon and eBay, you can set up your own online shop on Etsy's site. Craigslist, perhaps one of the oldest sites when it comes to listing items for sale, this is still a great place to list and sell items. All 4 of these sites are a very easy way to start your digital career, although you do have to pay fees ranging from 99 cents per item for Amazon, to 10 cents for eBay, to 20 cents for Etsy. 3. Blogging. Old-fashioned blogging is alive and thriving. If you provide valuable content on a regular basis, you attract like-minded people interested in your niche information and products. Your readers are compelled to keep reading to find out more and buy. These people are primed to buy your products either via ads or affiliate links in your posts. Why? Because you've been providing useful, free, targeted content, and people have come to know and trust you. Also, you make your site, online storefront attractive in the eyes of Google by regularly adding useful information in the form of articles, videos, etc. This results in higher rankings in Google's search engine, so, hopefully, you appear on page 1 because most people don't go to page 2 on Google. There are many ways you can monetize a blog and the traffic you get to it. You can promote products as an affiliate, promote your own products and services, and have ads on your blog as well. 4. Niche e-commerce. As a startup internet entrepreneur, you're not competing with e-commerce titans or major retailers like Walmart. You also don't need a warehouse or a logistics system to sell your wares. What you do need to succeed is to narrow focus. In other words, find your niche, and stick to it. That way you become the go-to expert and appear high in the search engine rankings. The most important thing is that there has to be a market for your niche. For example, you might have a passion for 16th century French poetry, but you won't attract a lot of readers. When it comes to e-commerce, the key is to have a very specialized focus that attracts a very specific audience. 5. Your own YouTube channel. Top YouTubers can make millions each year, and that includes 5-year-olds. Take PewDiePie, who has made more than $15 million filming himself playing video games. But you don't need millions of viewers to make money on YouTube. Some ideas for valuable videos include how-tos such as recipes, unboxing, where you open a product for viewers, food and travel reviews, music videos, comedy skits, and so on. Here's how to make money on YouTube. Set up your YouTube channel, the place where your videos will live. Upload videos consistently and be specific when describing the content in your video. Make sure your videos are high quality and contain useful or entertaining content. You don't need a fancy camera to get going, a smartphone will suffice in the beginning. Put the word out on your social media platforms like Facebook and your email marketing list. You should also share the videos on social media or embed them on your blog or website. Respond to comments from viewers to create a fan base. Your job is to attract and keep viewers. Monetize your undertaking by allowing YouTube to include ads in your videos. When viewers click on an ad, you split the fee with Google. The more views, the more revenue for you. One other thing to mention, you don't have to get in front of a camera to make money with YouTube videos. Many of the most successful YouTube channels are screen capture videos with tutorials of software or videos where you are seeing someone do something or do a voiceover, never having to actually appear on camera. 6. Selling ebooks. The internet has put a dent in the traditional publishing world. These days e-readers are all the rage. E-books represent about 20% of all book sales in the US. The good news is you don't have to be a publisher with deep pockets to get in on the action. As a solo internet entrepreneur, you can sell ebooks directly from your own website. You can sell your own works or sell a public domain work. Simply upload it to your website or seller account on Amazon and start publicizing it on your social media platforms, on your email list, your blog, website, etc. 7. Develop apps. Whether it's an iPhone or Android, it's got apps and everyone's got one in their pocket. You can't compete with the likes of Pandora and Pinterest, but you can get in on the action. If you have a light bulb moment that addresses a need that people have, then create an app that meets that need. It could be a new way to store photos or a podcast download organizer. Don't panic if you're not a programmer. You're the idea person. You can hire people to create it. With the availability of programmers available at reasonable rates, you could probably find someone on a site like Upwork. Of course, the exact amount you'll pay your developers depends on the complexity of the app. You should create your app so that it works on both kinds of smartphones, Androids and iPhones. That way you maximize your customer base. Come on now, start a business and enjoy making money from your home.